Alright, the next thing we need to do is to install Nuclei fuzzing templates. You just need to go to the Google and type Nuclei fuzzing templates GitHub. You can fuzz these templates on any target endpoints in order to find vulnerabilities like open redirect, cross-site scripting, blind SSRF, SQL injection, and so much. So basically this will help you to automate the process of finding different vulnerabilities. Just copy the installation file. I mean, you know, you can just install it with the help of this command. Once we just I think I'm just doing it in a wrong directory. I should do it in my automation folder. So if I ls it, there here is nothing. And remember, we can just we will clone this instead of doing anything else. So I just copy it, and after that what I'll do, I'll just seems like I'm doing in a wrong way. So basically I'll type git clone and then I'll paste the command, and you can see it has been cloned. If you go inside it, you can see we have different templates for command injection, crlf, lfi, rfi, redirect, sql injection, xse, ssti, and so much and so on. Okay, we just done with it.
Guys, you can enroll for my cybersecurity premium bootcamp. Master the art of cybersecurity in one course. It have everything that you need, each and everything. So it is officially available at masoodsec.com. You can just simply visit the masoodsec.com, and then you can just simply come to the course area, and in the course area you will find my course. So you can just simply look for it. Okay. So if you want it, let me know. Just contact with me. I'm going to enroll you for this course. So yeah, it have everything. So you can just click on WhatsApp, you will be directly redirected to my WhatsApp number, or even though you can contact me on LinkedIn or Facebook if you want it.